In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple locations in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If your business operates from more than one office, branch, studio, or service area, Acuity gives you several ways to manage locations and make booking easier for your clients. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. One of the most effective ways to manage multiple locations is by creating separate calendars for each location. To do this, click on Availability from the left-hand menu and then select Add New Calendar. Enter a name for the location, such as your office or branch name. Then choose the correct time zone and enter the location address. Click Save to create the calendar. Next, assign the appropriate appointment types to that calendar and set the availability for that specific location. Another option is to assign locations directly to appointment types. To do this, go to Appointment Types and click Edit next to the service you want to update. Find the location setting and choose an existing location or create a new one. Enter the location details and save your changes. Now, when clients book that service, they'll see the correct location information automatically. If you run a mobile business and travel to your clients, there's another method available. You can create an intake form with an address field and configure it so the client's address becomes the appointment location. This is useful for services like home consultations, mobile grooming, or on-site appointments. Once your locations are set up, review your booking page and test the scheduling process to make sure clients are seeing the correct location options and information. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple locations in Acuity Scheduling and made it easier for clients to book appointments at the right place. And that's how you add multiple locations in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.